the fastest AA fuel driver in the world? Well, you're going to find out because AMT is here today at Orange County International Raceway, where Tom the Mongoose McEwen will attempt to set a new world's record for a lapse time in a AA fueler. Right now, let's meet Tom McEwen. Tom, this is for a record run. What are you doing different today than you normally do in competition?
Well, normally we'd be running 5 or 6 runs in competition. Today we're only going to run 2, and so I set the clutch for a maximum of just 2 runs, and I've got some new tires on the car, and I'm hoping that we're going to run well down in the 6-second bracket today.
Tom, how did you get the nickname the Mongoose?
A few years ago when Dom the Snake for Dome was almost unbeatable, we beat him a few times, so Dom gave me the nickname of the Mongoose, and just like Kipling's Jungle Book, Law of the Jungle, the Cobra versus the Mongoose, we thought it was a real good gimmick.
Tom is in the car now. He's staging. He's at the starting line. The Christmas tree countdown has started. That was a great first run, Tom. How do you think it went?
Well, we ran 670, which is the quickest the car has ever run before, and I'm real happy. And I've got a 1% to 670 to get the record, which means I'll have to run somewhere around a 676. The car could have stood a little more power. The bite's real good out there. We're going to advance the mag a little bit, put a little more nitro in it, and go up this time and see if I can't run as quick or maybe even quicker this time.
Okay, this is the big one. We put the mic in the car with McEwen so he can tell you what he's doing in making his attempt at a new world's record. Now you're really going to know what it's like to drive a AA fueler.
Okay, they've just started pushing my car towards the start line. This is the important one. The car sounds good. I'm coming up. I'm starting to make my turn in the staging area. Stop. Just wiping the tires off. Take the signal up, start to move up. I'm very careful. Go into the staging. First staging line is on. Second staging line is on. I bring the RPM up. I set the brake. Let the clutch out just a little bit. Now the countdown is starting. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Pull the chute, it's out now, the car's slowing down. In a few moments they'll come down and tell me how the run was. I hope it was good.
It's a new world's record, 6.64 seconds. Tom, congratulations on setting the world's elapsed time record. Do you have any comments to our listeners?
Yeah, I'd like to thank AMT for making it possible for my fans and listeners to hold the ride with me and be with us out here today. And I'm real happy on setting this record.